IHS has ratings out for 3 large SUVs in a full range of crashworthiness and crash avoidance tests. But today I wanted to focus on one of those test modes, which is the driver's side small overlap crash test. Raul, this is the Ford Expedition. This doesn't look too good. Talk us through how this vehicle performed in this test.
You're right, it doesn't look good. And in this test, you can see the vehicle structure collapsed. And what we have is compromise of that safety cage, and that can lead to higher injury measures and overall just something we don't want to see in this test.
Yeah, this isn't a result that we often see in 2024, right?
No, it's not. And we've been conducting this test for many years. We've had vehicles performing very well in this test. And by that I mean structures hold up really well, injury measures look good.
So we know that these vehicles struggled in a couple different areas, but there was a vehicle that performed well in this test. So let's go take a look at that. That was the Jeep Wagoneer. It's right
Let's
over
go
here.
look at it.
All right, Raul, we have the Jeep Wagoneer over here, which was also tested in the small overlap crash test, but this performance looks quite a bit different. How did it do?
Right, so you can see right off the bat, the structure looks much better. It did not collapse the way it did in the Expedition test, and as a result, the Wagoneer receives a good overall rating in the small overlap test.
All right, and the Wagoneer actually qualifies for a top safety pick combined with its other safety ratings. If you're in the market for a large SUV, I'd encourage you to check out the ratings because we had a range of performance for the Expedition, the Wagoneer, and the Chevrolet Tahoe, so check those out at iihs.org, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.